Hello, welcome to Chrono Fighter Hong Kong. This is a watch review channel. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification alarm to get updated watch reviews.
Hello, this is Ben, and I'm going to review with you a Pepsi chronograph from Aocasdiy today. So Aocasdiy, recently I've been reviewing a lot of products from this brand, right? And it's a AliExpress watch, and it's a very low price brand. Many of its watches comes in less than $8. Okay, that's real. Okay, so what can we get from such a cheap price? Okay, Aocasdiy, is it good? Is it any good? Okay, first of all, let me introduce to you about the outward looking of it. Okay, it has a chronograph watch head and also sailcloth combined with leather strap. Okay, sailcloth with leather strap. Okay, the top part is a sailcloth for durability, and the bottom part for comfortability is the leather. Okay, so then I will introduce about first the bezel. Okay, the blue and red bezel is a tachymeter, it says, but it actually cannot be used. Okay, because the second hand is not stationary, so you actually can't use the tachymeter. Okay, useless. It's just for decoration. Okay, for VK63, then you can use this tachymeter, VK63 movement, but this movement is not. Okay, so is it a lamp chronograph? Does the chronograph function does not function at all? But that's not true. Okay, let me show you the function of this watch. Okay, the chronograph second hand is actually here. I haven't started. You press it. Okay, it starts ticking. It starts ticking. So it's actually telling the chronograph time already. Okay, so at the same time, I also want to introduce to you other parts, like there's a date function here at 4 o'clock. Okay, maybe, yeah, zoom it closer, the watch. Why the watch looks like bird? It's actually not the blur of the camera. It's actually the watch is really bird. The mineral glass here, I don't know why, but it's not clean. Okay, maybe the inside of this piece of mineral glass is already contaminated by some dirt. Okay, or oil or grease, I don't know. Okay, so now I stop this second hand, and then I reset it. So you can see the chronograph function actually works. Okay, and the watch also has some lume action that I can show you. Okay, there is some lume. Okay, yeah, so it can be used daily. Okay, as a daily beater, and it has a very attractive Pepsi color. But one thing to really need to improve is the QC issue with the mineral glass. Yeah, and for the watch case shape, it does look like a very normal homage oyster case shape. Okay, but the water resistance here is just 30 meters. Okay, it does not stay here, but actually it is 30 meters. Hand wash water protection. Okay, nothing else. So the whole watch actually looks very good. And the buckle with Aocasdiy logo, and let me put it on my wrist too. So you can see here. Okay, quite a good looking little watch. Okay, in my opinion, my wrist is 17.5 centimeters. Okay, so I think most of the men can wear this watch. So how big is the watch? 42 millimeters. And also I need to measure about the thickness before you like to purchase it. Maybe it's less than 12 millimeter. quite a thin chronograph in my opinion. Okay, so yeah, so that's almost it about this watch. Okay, the movement I'm not going to tell in detail about the movement because it's not worthwhile to tell about that. It's just a Chinese chronograph movement. Okay, and it's a Quartz. Okay, so I don't go into detail about the movements and reliability. It depends on my real experience. Okay, I don't know how long the watch can actually last. Okay, but as long as you like the Pepsi color, you can get one for to get a taste of it. Okay, so that's almost all for the function of the watch. Okay, so I'm out and thank you for watching.
That's almost the end of today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification alarm to get updated watch reviews. Thanks for watching and your support. See you in my next videos. Bye.